Back, one, siyempre, always yung location. Number one yun na
Sobrang ganda.
a yes taker.
Yes.
Kasi yung mga bisita naman, pagdating, yun ang unang-una makikita.
Yes.
Second, ah madaling yung communication towards the planning. Though
Hiccups.
may hiccups this past ano na. Pero at the end naman is
Well
plan.
executed. Yan. Well executed siya and accommodating yung mga personnel. Thank you so much sa mga coordinators namin. Kay Ma'am Jessica. Ayun. So, very easy to talk to and considerate, I would say. Ayun. Sobrang considerate. Ang daming in-adjust para ma-accommodate yung kailangan namin as a couple.
Ultimo yung extension ng upgrades ng room.
Yes.
And
Mga on the day requests. It was granted.
And, oo, pati yung kayo, yung mga coordinators yan,
Yes.
flow smooth lang yung flow. Walang
Hindi kami ng problema.
walang magulo, hindi magulo.
Yes. Ako pa yung ng problema sa pa.
Ano pa ba? Yung food, masarap naman, masarap yung food.
Yes.
Ano pa? Spacious yung place.
Actually, it's spacious.
Place.
And
And
windy
madami
and
din parking and marami ding option to photo
Yes.
for post-wedding and pre-wedding yan. Meron ka ba?
No. I'd like to thank you. So sobrang smooth ng wedding namin. Thank you for making it happen.
Ayun. Thank you.
Thank you.